Alright guys, my cat caught a bird and now he's eating it. No, get back here. No, get back here. No. Did he have a bird? Where'd he go? Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Hey now, no need to get a little feisty of it. Now you caught the bird. It's yours. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh. No, the natures of life. Oh, the natures. Here, Pumpkin. Come on. Just hand over the bird. Actually, how am I gonna grab that bird? Here, just hand over the bird. Smokey's trying to take the bird from him. Come on. Just hand over the bird. Hey, no. Hey, no, just give me the bird. No, get back here. Well, get back here with that bird. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Come on. Here, boy, no need to eat it. Nope, yeah. See, even Smokey wants it. You want the birdie too? Here, no. Pumpkin. Did you want the birdie? You wanted the birdie, didn't you? I'm sorry. Ah, boy. Great. The one bad thing about summer, right when it starts turning summer, the birds come out and the cats start eating. What the cat doing? What the cat doing? Who you looking at? What the cat doing? Bye. Just remember to leave a like and subscribe for more cat content.